Okay everyone, and today video I just got a new binocular. It's a Bushnell Power View. Okay, and today video I'm going to unbox it and let's see what inside the box. Now just take it out from the box. Okay, inside the box we got this bag and one manual. Inside it, this is the binocular and nothing more inside the bag. Okay, gonna take it out. This is our binocular and you got something to clean it, and this okay. Now let's check out our binoculars. So we got the lens cover here, another side. This is where you see. Okay, the spike of it, and this one zoom in, zoom out, and this you can use it to adjust the blur of your image that you see. Okay, difficult to show the view inside the glass. So as I already use it, the view inside this is what you can see by your eyes, and this is what you can see by the glass. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing this Bushnell Power View binoculars. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.